Welcome back to my channel, guys. And in today's video I will be doing some jerk chicken fried rice. And for this recipe we're going to start by seasoning our chicken. And for my seasoning I'll be starting off with some salt and black pepper. I'll also be using the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, some green seasoning, and some ground allspice berries. Additionally, I will be using some garlic powder, some poultry seasoning, and of course my olive oil. And I'm going to mix these all together. And next, I'm just going to start to massage all these seasonings into this chicken to get it well infused. And I'm going to allow it to marinate for about 2 to 3 hours minimum. You can do it overnight if you have the time. And I'll be placing them into a baking dish. And I'm going to have them bake in the oven for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes at 375 degrees. Now, once that is done, I'm just going to dice them and place them to a side. Now, I'm going to start on the rice with my day-old rice. And first, I'll be going in with my olive oil. And to that, I'm going to go in with my eggs. So I went in with a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to set this to a side. Next, I'm going in with my fresh seasonings, which are some onion, garlic, bell peppers, parsley. I also have some green onions in there. And I'll also be using some day-old rice. Next, I'm going in with some soy sauce and some sesame oil as well. Once that is well incorporated, we're going back in with our eggs from earlier. And then we go in with our pieces of diced jerk chicken. And we're just going to mix this all together. You can go in with some additional salt and black pepper as well and taste it along the way. And this is the plating. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to my next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.